Good evening. I'm Linda Richardson. I'm so appreciative to have been named among the women being honored in the Sales Decades Project, featuring women who I think helped professionalize selling and also opened a new career for women that traditionally was not open to us. Lori, thank you so much for conceiving and for organizing this very important event and for your generosity to the sales community. For those of you who know Lori, you know if you have a question, if you have a need, ask Lori. And I know that firsthand. Yes, we saleswomen in the 1980s were groundbreakers. Many of you may not relate to this, but behind our big hair were big brains. And beneath our big shoulder pads was a new willingness to take on the responsibility of building large, important client relationships. And we did it. I distinctly remember my early days in selling and starting my company, Richardson. I feel so grateful to still be able to contribute. To that point, I'll share with you something I really haven't shared is I've just finished my latest sales book on emotional intelligence, human selling in the age of AI. The reason that I mention that is as I was writing the book, just finishing it up, and I was invited to this event, I was really struck with the relevance and the timeliness of this project. Finally, in the face of AI, rigorous academic research and results have proven the importance of the role of empathy in outstanding performance, regardless of the industry or the role. What I found that really had relevance to this project is that women consistently, across the board, score higher in empathy. And on top of that, saleswomen are the top producers right now. They're producing in closing sales faster, achieving quota, and building long-lasting relationships. And thank you, Lori, for recognizing us. I truly was touched by being included in this honor, and I thank you so much.